Good morning, children. This is me, Manjunath Tia, assistant teacher, Anuberakinchappa High School, Bada. Once again, I welcome you all for online class or YouTube classes. Dear children, in my previous class, I have started a lesson called, that is, as I am going to turn on the board, that is justice above self. Okay, dear children, the title itself explained that, or the shown that, justice can't be, there is nothing more than justice. Nothing is more than justice, because justice is always above our personal selves or personal or our own self. Do you understand? So here, this is the lesson as I introduced it in my previous class, that is Munshi Premchand. That Munshi Premchand is an Indian writer, as I told in the previous class. He was mainly recognized for his creations that always contained the social message, that was always raised the voice against the social evils which are prevailing in an Indian society. So, as the author is the lesson presentation, is the content of the lesson. The Premchand is always raises his voice against the social evil. Even as I told in the previous class, what are called social evils? Dowry system, sati system, child marriage. Not only called, this is called what I am saying, social evil, but also not given social justice to even a weaker section, it is also called a social evil. You don't understand? We must give justice to a weaker section. Maybe a social weaker, maybe a financial weaker, or maybe a physical weaker. It may be any weaker section. We must give a justice to those people. It is called a justice. So, under that social equivalence, there is nothing more than the justice. So it could not be, justice is always above our all personal dealings. Do you understand? So on the basis of that concept, here is a lesson. It is a story about the two wonderful, excellent, what I am saying that, successful friend or true friends. Understand? Those two characters are called, it is called Juman Sheikh and Algu Choudhury. It is called Juman Sheikh and Algu Choudhury. Yes. Yes. Choudhury. DHA are also correct. DHA are also correct. Why? Because both are right. The proper form can be written in this form also. There will be no restrictions of writing this way or pronouncing. So it can be accepted. Yeah. In my previous class, I have introduced these two are the very true friends. If Juman Sheikh were not in the house or in the village or in their house, Algu Choudhury will take care of Juman family. Or if Algu Choudhury was not in the village or in the family, if he go outside, Sheikh can take care of Algu Choudhury. So they were called true friends because of they are giving highest respect, they are receiving highest respect in that village. So here Juman Sheikh had his old aunt. So that she had some property in her name. She transferred that property in the name of Juman Sheikh. Instead of that, he must take care of that old lady up to her death. So, same thing, she transferred with all her property in the name of Juman Sheikh. So this was an understanding taken place between the Juman Sheikh and Anne. So everything is going on very nicely. The couple of the years have been completed. Slowly, Juman Sheikh and his wife, she is not Juman Sheikh wife and Juman were not taking much care of that Anne. So later it became slowly they are neglecting that lady. So that old aunt or the old lady, she tolerant, she tried to understand those feelings. So the days have been passed, but the patience has its own limit. So they were not taking care, they are neglecting. So that was the situation and have been changed. So this was she accept or she tolerate her insulting few months, but patience has its limit. So we have completed up to this level. Let me continue the Taranwa thought. One day she spoke to Juman, "My son, it was now obvious that I am not wanted in your house. Kindly give me a monthly allowance so that I can't set up a separate kitchen." As I told, that patience has its own limit. When we cross that patience, anything can happen. Maybe our friend can be enemy, or anybody can become an oppose our attitude or our behavior. The same thing happened in the life of Juman Sheikh. So that aunt have lost her patience. So finally, one day she called Juman Sheikh and asked, "My son, I can't tolerate your attitude or behavior with me, so I want now obvious. Obvious means I am cleared that I am not wanted in your house. Your behavior and your attitude and your expressions and your what I am saying, your moments can understand that clear that I am not want to live in your house." So your attitude is shown that. So, dear child, kindly give me a monthly allowance. Allowance means and some of the amount or the money has to be given regularly to that particular aunt. So, after getting that allowance, that aunt, she can want to set up a separate kitchen for herself. Suddenly that Juman Sheikh replied, "My wife knows best how to run the house. Be patient," said Juman shamelessly. This made his aunt angry and is decided to take a case of this into a village panchayat. That shameless Juman Sheikh convinced that auntie, "I want to tell my wife you don't behave like this." But that aunt expected this attitude from Juman Sheikh. But whatever that Juman replied, I know my wife can know how to run the family. Understand? Be patient. So this reaction was made by the Juman. That aunt became so angry and she decided to take this case into that is called village panchayat. It is called village panchayat. Yes, village panchayat. What is called panchayat? Panchayat means in those days, in the olden days in India, there will be no court, there will be no police, there will be no judge, there will be no, what I am saying, that lawyer, whatever that going on today. It's not like that during those days. In every village, all those that village had a one village head or panchayat head. Might be it is in the heart of the village or in the entrance of the village, it may be there. There will be a group of some leaders, maybe 5 members. So called Panch means 5 people. Maybe that village head, maybe what we can call Gauda, that is called Pujari, or Shanboga, or some other 2 leaders. So maybe called 5 leaders. Those 5 leaders, they were always been settling the disputes which are arises in their villages. So their duty is to give justice to all the issues, and who are guilty, they have a power to give a punishment. So thus the type of the power they had, it was given by the all villagers. Do you understand? So this type of the issue have been happened in that family of Juman Sheikh and Anand. So this was sent to village panchayat. So this was the decision taken place by Anand to send this issue to village panchayat. That old lady went about meeting the people who are explaining her case. Some sympathized with her, others laughed at her, a few others advised her to make it up with a nephew and his wife. At last, she came to Alagu Chaudhary, who spoke to him. So, as I told earlier, this case sent to village panchayat. So that old lady went about a meeting of people and explaining her case, what happened, this, why this incident happened, who are responsible for this case, who are the accused in that case. Everything she was explaining. That is the story, what happened about what is the understanding, how she transferred property on the name of Juman Sheikh, and why she transferred the property into Juman Sheikh. So those everything have been explained by that old lady towards the villagers. Someone, they were sympathized, so feel sorry for you. What happened? In Kannada, Ayo Papa, Yako, Gabitu. Like this. So somebody sympathized, feels so sorry about somebody, and other laughed at her. What happened to that old lady? Like this. So this type of the people are there in villages. Sympathizing people are there, looking at laugh. Those people are there, and few others were advised. You just make up with those nephew and his wife. You just make up, you just adjust to her. Why don't you take such a demand like this? That few others, at last, she came to the village that is called Alagu Chaudhary. Alagu Chaudhary, as I told, that Juman Sheikh's the best friend. As I told, they were very good friends. They were bond of the friendship. Their friendship have a highest respect in that village because of they are receiving more respect in that village. This case transferred to Alagu Chaudhary. You know, Chachi, Juman, that old lady, take this complaint to Alagu Chaudhary to settle this issue. That Alagu Chaudhary replied, you know, Chachi, Juman is my best friend. And how can I go against him? When you gave a complaint against Juman Sheikh, the village panchayat, or if I become a head of the panchayat, I must go against that Juman Sheikh. Is it possible? Because, you know, I am the best friend of Juman Sheikh. That Alagu said, but it is right, my son, to keep mum and not to say what you consider just fair. Yes, I will just be mum, because mum means I will be quiet, and not to say what you consider just. What you consider just. I will not to reply. I will not to say anything. Pleaded that old lady. Come to the panchayat and speak the truth. So Alago told and replied, okay, I will be considered your case, and you do one thing, you come to panchayat and speak the truth. Said Alago didn't reply, but her words keep ringing in his voice. So whatever that voice have been spoken by that old lady, that is ringing in her ears, ringing in his ears. Whose ears? That's Alago Chaudhary ears. Do you understand? So this case became so serious. What I'm saying, that curiously, what happened? So accused is in Juman Sheikh, and the judgment or the judge will be Alago Chaudhary. Both were good friends. So you just understand, the title is given, Justice is Above Self. Yeah, the panchayat was held under the old banyan tree. The panchayat has been held. As I told, there will be no huge building having police security, that lawyers are taking case and expressing their views, they expressing their points against the accused, or nobody is saying for against anybody. Here, this is the case taken place, what I am telling, against the Juman Sheikh. It is a place where the banyan tree exists or there, the case is held under that. That Juman stood up and said the voice of the punch. This is the voice of the God. He said that the voice of the punch is the voice of the God. And she said, let me nominate head of the punch. I will be obeyed by her decision. I nominate Alago Chaudhary as a punch. The punch knows either enemy or not friend. Stated the old lady. Fine, replied the Juman, hiding his joy for his unexpected piece of luck. Chachi, you are aware of my friendship with Juman, said Alago. Okay, dear children, as I told that the panchayat was held under the banyan tree, that Juman stood up and said, voice of the punch is the voice of the God. Look at this board. The voice of the punch is the voice of God. So God is in the form of the punch. What the God want to take or to give a decision, it is in the voice of the punch. Punch means those are the 5 people who are giving a judgment to any issue. Do you understand? So here the head of the punch is to be selected here, because this one the voice will be spoke by that type of the punch. Always the punch is head of the head of the panchayat. So the voice of the punch is the voice of God. Let me nominate head of the punch. Here that Juman Sheikh, the cases is taken place versus that old lady. That old lady versus Juman Sheikh. And Juman Sheikh said that the voice of the punch is the voice of God. So he allowed that old lady to select herself as the head of the punch. Do you understand? So the case is depend on the judge. It is according to Juman. Yes, let me aunt nominate head of the punch. I will be abide by her decision. So abide means accept. Whatever that whoever will be nominated as the head of the punch, it is the decision will be given to that hand. Whoever I elect or the select as a head of the punch, I will be accept. So this was said by Juman Sheikh. I nominate Alagu Chaudhary as the punch. This was said by that old lady. That old lady have been selected this Alagu Chaudhary as her head of the punch. The punch knows neither enemy nor friend. Okay. Always this punch not say enemy or friend. As I told, under the banyan tree, the punch have been assembled. There will be no difference, there will be no bifurcation, there will be no difference of enemy or the friend. Under the law, under the procedure, everyone is equal. This was said by that old lady also. Because she know that Alagu Chaudhary was the best friend of Juman Sheikh. So that the cases is taken place between the old lady versus Juman Sheikh, and Alagu was head of the punch, that Alagu was the best friend of that Juman Sheikh. And replied Juman, hiding his joy, because he knows that Alagu was my best friend, he will be not say any words against me. So it is an unexpected piece of luck. Chachi, you are aware of my friendship with Juman, said by the Alagu Chaudhary. Alagu Chaudhary said, oh Chachi, you know I am the friend of Juman. So you are complaining against the Juman. I am the friend of Juman. Do you know? Yes, my child, but I also know that you will not to kill your concerns for your sake of friendship. Yes. What that word, that conscience means, that is something that tells whether you are right or wrong. Dear children, dear child, here this Alagu Chaudhary knows his conscience. Means that he knows which is right and which is wrong. God lives in the heart of Punch, and his voice is the voice of God. And also she expressed, God always lives in the heart of Punch. What the voice? The voice of the God.